In this tutorial, let us see how to create a slide deck using NotebookLM. We will download a source, upload the source in NotebookLM, we'll create a prompt in ChatGPT and use it for slide deck, download the slide deck output in PDF and PPT format, generate speaker notes and walk through the slides. For this demonstration, I'm using the Blood Covenant by E.W. Kenyon as a source document. Step 2. Let's upload the Blood Covenant PDF as source file into NotebookLM. Now let us create a prompt in ChatGPT and use it in NotebookLM to generate the slide deck. You could see I have requested ChatGPT to provide a prompt and it has given me a good prompt, which I'll be using it in creation of slide deck inside NotebookLM. As soon as you click on generate, you could see the slide deck is getting created. Click on the created slide deck, you can see the output. Now let's download the slide deck from NotebookLM in PDF format. There you go, we have the slides in PDF format. As our next step, let's download the slide deck from NotebookLM in PPTX format. And here we have the presentation file. Now it is time to generate speaker notes in ChatGPT. Here I am uploading the slide deck and requesting ChatGPT to provide the speaker notes. There you see, ChatGPT has wonderfully provided us the speaker notes. In the 8th step, we'll see how a slide deck is created without any prompt using NotebookLM. NotebookLM has made its own slide deck. That brings us to the end of the presentation. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next tutorial.